Hi guys, it's Rog here. I'm back again in my garden, but today I'm going to be showing you some of the foodstuffs that I grow, quite a lot really, which I use in my cooking channel. So sit back, enjoy the video, and don't forget, please subscribe. And just here we have a beautiful bush marrow. We've already picked a couple and they're so tasty. This one's coming along really well. It's taken, it's pollinated, and it'll be growing fast. Just over the other side here, we've got yellow courgettes. They're just coming on nicely. We haven't had any of these yet, but we've definitely had some green ones. Here we have another bush marrow. Probably be getting fed up with marrows by the end of the season. This one's filling out quite nicely. We do tend to get a bit of a slug problem, but don't we all? I'll show you this. Raspberries. We've picked loads of raspberries. At the moment, the raspberries are finished, but I've got a new crop coming on. They're getting very tall and very healthy. Here I have my sweet corn. They got the flowery bits on the top and they're starting to get some cobs. They're a little bit late this year, but as I always say, it's better late than never. We should get quite a few of those, probably 3 per plant. Here we've got some wild rocket coming on, and also this is our cucumber tree. I like to call it a cucumber tree. It's doing so well. And there they are. We've picked 5 of these so far this year, and as long as you don't start using them straight away, they keep. Here I have my one and only, my first padron pepper. Out of a whole packet of seeds I ended up with 1 plant. And in the greenhouse, that's where we're going now. I'll show you how the tomatoes are coming along. They're pretty good, got quite a few trusses, quite a few different sorts. Haven't picked any yet. This one's a Mr. Stripey. I've got some Marmont, some Moneymaker, some Alicante, some black plum tomatoes, some those little tiny ones which I can't quite remember the name of, and yeah, they're doing really well. So as soon as they start to ripen, I'll put a video up and show you guys how they're doing. Oh look, that's Mr. Stripey. You can tell those a mile off. They got stripes on. Anyway, let's move on. So we've gone out into the garden and I'm showing you the cherry tree without any cherries on. That's because we ate most of them and the birds helped us eat the rest. So we'll go over to the apples. Cox's Orange Pippin, a very all-time favourite. Does really well. Should be ready for picking about October time, maybe late September. So not too long to wait now. And in this jungly area, if we creep up and look amongst the leaves, we will spot, yes, some figs. I've got quite a lot of figs growing this year. Last year we had 2 or 3, didn't do very well at all, but this year it's coming on in leaps and bounds. There's no real reason for why one year's good and one year's bad. Now over here, peaches. Lots and lots and lots of peaches. I love these, they're beautiful. They're not very big, but they're big in taste. Magnificent. We've had it quite a few years now and it always does us proud. Then of course we come down to some salad crops. We've got all the usual. We've got lettuces there, lettuces here, lettuces everywhere. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this latest video of mine. Hope that you've thoroughly enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And keep watching my videos. I'm always putting a new one up every week. And I'll see you all again next time. So thanks once again, and it's bye from me and bye from my garden.